Hello everybody, welcome back my friends to This Is How We Rock, and today we're gonna start to show you guys a couple of DIY projects that I wanted to do for a long time, and they also make great gifts if you are going to a party and you want to bring a nice thoughtful gift to the hostess, or they make great Christmas gifts too. And these projects, they're all gonna be under $10. They're gonna be DIY projects, very easy to make. It shouldn't take you longer than 5 minutes to make each one of these projects that we're gonna be sharing throughout this month in November. And they're also pretty much zero waste. I'm gonna be trying to make them as zero waste as possible, or low waste, let's call them like that. And they're gonna be eco-friendly. So my friends, if you love to do that, if you like to see a couple of these projects, please stay tuned. They're gonna be coming up. But today, let's start with the gift idea number one for this holiday season. And I'm gonna be passing it out to my husband.
Hi everybody. So today we're doing something a little unusual. I'm not working on a guitar out here, but my wife wants me to make some coasters out of some logs we got from the mountain. So it's super easy. I'll show you what we're gonna do. Okay, so I have a piece of mesquite. Is it mesquite? I have a piece of mesquite tree here. It's a pretty hard wood actually. So I'm just gonna try to straighten that out and cut some little cup holders out of it. I have two different ones, and I also got this, which this might be an aspen tree. Anyways, we're gonna call it an aspen tree. If you know what this is, leave us a comment, okay? So we're gonna try both of these, okay? One of the tricks, if you're not using a hand saw, if you're using this kind of saw, you have to get it lying kind of flat, because if you go like that or like this, it's not gonna be straight. So you want to try to get it straight as we can here, and that's probably gonna be good enough for the first cut. So that's our first cut. I can go a little bit more because we got a little dent there. I'm gonna do it again. All right, the trick with this is, because you're not dealing with a straight edge, you want to try to get it as straight as you can so it sits level. So just eyeball it. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so the piece of mesquite came out looking pretty cool. I sanded it a little bit, so after you cut it, you might want to sand it and make it nice and shiny. But that's ready for a nice cup of coffee on it. Alright, so now I'm going to cut this piece of aspen, or whatever it is. And it's even more fun because I cut this with an axe in the mountains. That's fun. Alright, so now let's see what I can do here. Alright, so I got the first cut, looking pretty straight. So now I'm just going to slice another cut, and there you go. I want to add that anytime you use a power tool, be careful. I'm a guitar player, so my hands are the most important things in the world, so I don't want to injure them in any way. So when you're using a saw like this, you want to make sure that I never use it unless my hand's way out of harm's way. Okay, for instance, I would never get this and try to hold it like that, okay? Don't try to do that. Only do what's in your comfort level. If you're better with a handsaw, take the time to use that, okay?
guys for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this video, and you know, you can always keep this nice gift for yourself. You can use it in your own house, and I do hope I get to see you in the next video, in the next project we're gonna be sharing with you guys. In the meantime, please leave us a big thumbs up. Have a great weekend, and we'll catch you soon. Bye bye.